Theorem 6.7. If a perpendicular is drawn from the vertex of a right triangle to the hypotenuse, then triangles on both sides of the perpendicular are similar to the whole triangle and to each other. Now this states that if a triangle is a right angle triangle, for example this is right angled at B, and you draw a perpendicular from B to the hypotenuse, that is BD is a perpendicular, then the triangle ADB will be similar to triangle BDC, and ADB will be similar to the whole triangle ABC. BDC will be similar to the whole triangle ABC. This is what this theorem states. Now using this theorem, let us prove the Pythagoras theorem now. Theorem 6.8 is Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Now here it is given a right angle triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. We have to prove AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. For this we have to construct a perpendicular, BD perpendicular to AC. Now let us see the figure. Now this is the triangle here. B is right angle, BD is the perpendicular drawn. So we know by theorem 6.7, ADB will be similar to ABDC, ADB will be similar to ABC, BDC will be similar to ABC. So according to this theorem, now we know ADB is similar to ABC. So if they are similar, then the sides are in proportion, that is AD by AB is equal to AB by AC. Side of the first triangle to the second triangle. Sides are in proportion. Now cross multiplying, we get AB square is equal to AD into AC. Take this as first equation. Then the BDC will be similar to the whole triangle ABC according to the theorem 6.7. So now we get the sides are in proportion. So DC by BC is equal to BC by AC. Cross multiplying, we get BC square is equal to AC into DC. Take this as second equation. Now add the first equation and the second equation. We get AD into AC plus AC into DC is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here AC is common, so we are taken outside. We get AD plus DC, that is equal to AB square plus BC square. But we know AD plus DC is AC. So AC into AC is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is nothing but AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So we have proved the square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So the statement is proved. Now let us go to the next theorem 6.9, converse of Pythagoras. This states that in a triangle, if square of one side is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. That means the one side is equal. This one side is nothing but the hypotenuse. The side opposite to the hypotenuse will be 90 degree. That we have to prove it. That is the converse of Pythagoras theorem. For this we are going to take a triangle ABC. So it is given AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. We have to prove angle B is 90 degree. So for that you are constructing another triangle PQR, which is right angled at Q, such that this PQ is equal to AB and QR is equal to BC. So now when you take the proof in triangle PQR, we know since it is right angled at Q, according to the Pythagoras theorem, we know PQ square plus QR square is equal to PR square. Now this triangle, two triangles have drawn once again. So when you take in triangle PQR, PR square is equal to PQ square plus RQ square. PR square is equal to PQ is equal to AB. So AB square, RQ is equal to BC square. By construction, we have taken AB equal to PQ and BC is equal to RQ. So according to this, we get AB square plus BC square. Take this as first equation. But AC square, we know it is AB square plus BC square. So this you take it as second equation. It is given in the theorem. So now from 1 and 2, we know that PR square is equal to AC square, because AB square plus BC square is AC square. We get PR square is equal to AC square, which shows that PR is equal to AC. Take this as third equation. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, BC equal to QR by construction. And AC equal to PR. By from 3 we know that. So all the three sides are equal. So by SSS congruence, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. So by CPCT, angle B will be equal to angle Q. Angle Q is 90 degree. So angle B also will be 90 degree. So angle B is 90 degree since Q is 90. Hence we have proved the statement. Thank you.